Hey, Italian man, I just stopped here. I forgot to pick up my... Wait a second, where is he? Well, he must be around here somewhere. Or probably make cigarettes, too. You know, this place seems to be a lot bigger than I remember it being. He must have renovated it while I was gone. Nah, that's ridiculous. Dude can't even afford an apron. Why would he be able to afford renovations? Is that it? Oh, it stinks. It smells like grease. From pizza. Oh, disgusting. It's dark as hell in here, too. Maybe I should give him some money so he can afford to light up the place at night. Wait a second. What the? Who are you? You the fat man's new security? Well, if you don't mind, I'm just looking for my...
You blinked. Might as well face the facts. You were always destined to fail. Wow.